In this video, I will demonstrate the electronic handover. So the electronic handover has been divided into sections. So you've got section A, B, and section C at the bottom. Section A is all about the staff allocations. Again, just like all of the other areas of Careview, it can be edited and adapted. Section B has allocated tasks for the day. This essentially replaces the allocation book, where usually staff will have a cleaning schedule and daily checks. You can simply consolidate that into a single list on the handover where staff can tick to say that they've done it. So behind this tick, if you hover over it, it will tell you who completed it and at what time. You can also separate these allocated tasks into sections. So, for example, kitchen checks or health and safety checks, and staff can tick accordingly. Below that, you've got open maintenance issues for the day as well. Section C is the handover for the residents. So you have the residents summary, and then you have the ability to add comments. If they've had any incidences in the last 72 hours, you don't need to write about it because it automatically pulls through. You can click into it and see the report instantly.